Okay, here we have a problem on proportion. That is, if a is to b is equal to 4 is to 1, find the value of square root of a by b plus square root of b by a. Okay, here two ratios are equal, so it's proportion. So to solve this problem, I mean to find the value of this radical expression, let's write both the ratios in the given proportion as fractions. Then we'll be getting a divided by b is equal to 4 divided by 1. That is a divided by b is equal to 4. Okay, if the value of a divided by b is equal to 4, then the value of b divided by a is equal to 1 by 4. So here what I am doing is I am taking reciprocal on both sides. So the reciprocal of a divided by b is b divided by a, and the reciprocal of 4 is 1 divided by 4. Okay, now we got the value of both a divided by b and b divided by a. So we can substitute these two values into the given expression. So square root of a divided by b plus square root of b divided by a is equal to square root of 4, because the value of a divided by b is 4, plus square root of the value of b divided by a is 1 by 4. Okay, so the square root of 4 is 2, and here there is a square root for both numerator and denominator. So the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2, so we get 1 divided by 2. Okay, so now we have to add this integer 2 and the fraction 1 divided by 2. So to add this integer 2 and fraction 1 divided by 2, what we need to do is we have to multiply the denominator and the integer. So 2 times 2 is 4. Once this multiplication is done, this 2 should be taken as a common denominator. So 4 plus 1 divided by 2, so that is equal to 5 divided by 2. So the value of the expression square root of a by b plus square root of b by a is 5 divided by 2.